331 Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith with 31 Triple Dollar.
And Carson, we've been talking about that rain, and these clouds are just getting darker and darker.
And that can mean one thing.
Yep.
Rain is on the way.
Rain is here.
Fortunately, it's not going to be a washout today, but we'll at least have a few showers moving in as the day goes on. Let me show you the SkyCam network this morning, because some of you actually have a good bit of sunshine right now. Enjoy it while we got it. We won't see a whole lot the rest of the day. To enjoy the comfortable temperatures, too. We're in the low 60s in many spots. Some of you in northeast Alabama have dropped into the upper 50s. So you may actually want to grab that light jacket as you head out the door. You won't need it all day, though. We'll warm things up nicely, but it's still going to be cooler than average for what we usually see this time of year. Here's 31 Triple Doppler. You see those showers continue to pick up west of I-65. Most of the showers this morning have stayed to our south, but now we're starting to see more of those showers moving into Franklin County especially. You're watching us in Russellville. Let's give it another 5 to 10 minutes. You'll see some light rain right in the middle of town. And there's plenty more rain to come out in Mississippi and Arkansas. It's all just part of a very complex setup across the eastern U.S. Two things we're watching for you, one of which is this low pressure up near Chicago. That low pressure is giving us little pieces of energy in the atmosphere that is giving us our shower chances this morning. You see those more widespread showers out near Memphis right now. The second thing we're watching is this stalled front down towards the Gulf Coast. And as the day goes on today, and especially tonight, that front is going to lift back closer to North Alabama, and that will set the stage for several waves of storms, some of which could be heavy starting tonight and going through the day tomorrow. For this Tuesday, your highest rain chances are now. We'll have spotty showers through midday. Then we'll dry things out for the most part this afternoon. Could we have a stray shower storm this afternoon? Sure, but it's not quite as widespread. Otherwise, it's cooler. Your forecast high today, 79 degrees. Let's talk more about those storm chances for tonight and tomorrow. We're not expecting much severe weather here in North Alabama. The better ingredients for those severe storms are to our south. Having said that, especially in our southern counties, let's say DeKalb, Marshall, Morgan, Lawrence, and Franklin counties in particular, we'll have to watch that potential for heavy rain. Any of those stronger storms, in addition to heavy rain, could have some wind gusts closer to 50, maybe 60 miles per hour, and a lot of lightning. Remember, thunder roars, go indoors. Let's go through future radar. 10 o'clock this morning, not expecting much in the way of storms, but just some light showers, especially south of the Tennessee River. Small chance for an afternoon storm continues through the afternoon, but a lot of us look pretty dry. But as the night goes on, that front starts to lift back towards Birmingham, and here goes the first of what could be 3, maybe 4 waves of storms starting tonight, going through the day tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, the morning commute looks like a mess. Just plan on some extra time heading out the door on Wednesday, and you just see wave after wave after wave of those storms all day tomorrow. And at any given point tomorrow, those storms will certainly have heavy rain, and some could have gusty winds. Now, as far as exactly when each wave of storms rolls through, that is a little bit in flux, but you get the idea. We'll have those storm chances fairly high throughout the day tomorrow before the pattern relaxes just a bit by Thursday. But just in the next couple of days, we're looking at widespread rainfall amounts around 1 inch, with some higher amounts closer to 2 inches of rain possible for places like Gunnersville, down towards Hartselle, Coleman, maybe near Moulton, also out towards Russellville and Phil Campbell as well. Beneficial rain, but we just can't have all that rain at the same time. And as you look at the 10-day forecast, Father's Day weekend in particular, it's looking a little more wet, especially Father's Day itself on Sunday. On top of the 1 to 2 inches of rain we could see today and tomorrow, we might see another 2 to 3 inches of rain over the next week.
Okay, so we'll be ready for that because
Definitely
we need it.
We do, but just not at the same time.
Right. All right. Well, thank you so much, Carson. The